Hi everybody, I'm Chimney Chuck, and as we're rolling into spring and early summer, this is the last time of the year that everybody's thinking about fireplaces, furnaces, and wood stoves. Of course, we're thinking about our pools and going camping and all the other outdoor activities that take place this time of year. But this is really a good time to have your chimney checked. I know in the mid-Atlantic we had some snow and we had a lot of ice storms and we had a lot of rain this year. And that causes a lot of damage to the chimney. Whether it's covered in siding, a pipe through the roof, or a masonry brick chimney, you need to get it checked. And this is the perfect time of year to do that. This is when we're very able to get out to fit your schedule. We have longer days, and if anything needs to be done, we have great weather if we have to do any masonry repairs. So if you need to get your chimney checked out, which everybody does on an annual basis, and that's what's recommended as per National Fire Protection Association and the Chimney Safety Institute of America, please follow my advice. Give us a call. Our number is 410-590-4800, or you can reach us at cleansweepaa.com. I'm Chimney Chuck. We make chimneys healthy. Thank you.